guys, this is Gary Cruz and we are on our way to Batasan for our pre-Sona free concert. That's Bagong Tunog, Bagong Pilipinas. I have and we have our VIP pass. Ayan, together with other artists. So, panoorin nyo po sa PTV4, right? Yeah. PTV4 at 1 o'clock PM. Ngayon po yan, July 22. Okay, I'll give you some updates mamaya po. Okay, bye for now.
Ay, hindi dito?
Yeah.
Oo, dyan. Pero pakamalaan tayo eh.
Guys, we are here sa venue at dito sa may Sandigang Bayan. So, as you can see, nasa likod ko yung backstage. At syempre, ito yung white yung pinaka namin, dressing room. So, see you mamaya guys. Manood po kayo. 1 o'clock PM, PTV4. Now, approaching sa backstage. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon. Yan. Aileen, Papin.
Hello.
Okay, panig na po kami sa backstage. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yeah, we are here sa loob ng aming waiting room or dressing room or whatever. So, nandito lahat ng artists. Ayan. So, wala pa yung iba. So, yeah, this is Aileen. Okay. So, natin pa lang namin yung ibang performers. Okay. Yeah, everyone is here. So, yeah.
May kasama yun eh.
Rojun Cruz is here. Aramina at the back is here.
Sister!
So, yeah.
Robert. Ang hirap eh. Wala, kailangan eh. Pero nasimulan mo na, kailangan tuloy-tuloy eh. So, hinahanap ko na rin yung work. Gano'n? Wala eh, busy.
Yan, dyan na sila, lahat ng artists.
Worry, yung ating program from 1 to 4. Akala ko talaga may mic ako. Sorry So 1 to 4, susundin natin yung program. Babasahin nyo na lang po yung schedule. I'm pretty sure alam nyo lahat. Nakapag-sound check na po yung kailangan sound check. At ang gagawin lang po natin doon is papasayahin lang po natin sila. Sana po pag pumunta po tayo doon, masaya rin tayo. Okay lang po ba yun? Yeah! Thank you.
Gary Cruz, please welcome Eric.
Pilipinas, sigalan! Quezon City! Okay. This is my hit song. Please follow me on YouTube. This is for everyone. Kumusta po kayo dyan?
Nasasaktan sa tuwing iniiwasan mo o pinagtataguan. Ngunit kaya kong matiis aking naiintindihan. Huwag ka lamang nalayo sa piling ko. Sapat na sa aking naging bahagi ka ng buhay ko. Kahit mali ang puso. Ayan, maraming salamat. Thank you very much, Gary Cruz.